did not take your money. I did not take your money.
Chisom, I ask you again, where is my money?
I did not take your money, Mama. Mama, go inside and look for your money where you kept it.
I should go inside and look for my money.
Hey.
Am I living in this house with any other person except you, Chisom?
Mama, you are living with other non-living things in this house. Go and ask them. This house. Go and ask them.
Chisom,
Ego, Uchechi. Ego, you go. Uchechi.
What is it? Wait now. You people should help me and carry my own firewood.
Why should we help you? Eh? Bloody cheat like you. Why?
But you know I'm not a cheat now. Eh? Why are you, Ego, Uchechi, why are you people behaving like this? Are we not friends? When have we suddenly become enemies?
We are enemies.
Yes.
You are the reason we did not get the opportunity to be chosen by the prince. So for that reason, we are enemies.
For that reason, there will be no help for you. Ego, will you help her?
No.
So let's go. Go and meet your prince. Call prince to come and help.
Let's come and help you. Should you are taking
Ego, let's go because
we are going.
Why are they treating me like this now? Eh?
She may be right. Who? Hule. She may not have hands in what the prince did. Remember, she rejected the prince that day.
my dear, that is pure pretense. Come on, that's pretense. Oh, you expected her to hug the prince in public? No, now it will give her away.
I'm just saying, let's not go and crucify an innocent girl of what she does not know about. Let's do findings. Let's be sure that she's innocent or she's not before we start crucifying her. Please.
Ego, leave that thing. Me, I'm not doing any research. I am very certain that she's evil. And I can't wait for her to get the repercussion of what she has done.
I've said my own. No. Me, I don't want to partake in evil.
That's your business. Me, nobody can deceive me. That girl is evil personified. Nobody can deceive me. She has bewitched the prince.
We are not sure.
Igwe nọzikwa na mgbagwoju anya. Everyone is confused. Adigo kogadi. Whose order should be taken? Whose voice should be heard? Again na potizino. Obodedelugo. Obodedelugo no. What would be the end? Wickedness increasing.
Open this gate now! Open this gate now! Open this gate! I'll be right back.
Father, Mother, I need both of you to please talk to my sister. I don't know what is wrong with her. I need you people to talk to her. Talk to her, Dana.
Olisemeka, I will give you a dirty slap if you ever speak to me with such voice.
Adana.
Are you crazy?
Adana! Are you going bananas? How dare you threaten to deck him in my presence? What's the meaning of that?
Apology, Father.
Shut up! Son, what happened?
I was on my way out. I decided to use her car, like I always do. And the next thing, she came to me and snatched the key off my hands.
Yes, It's because that's my car and you have no rights whatsoever to use my car without my permission.
Adanna, I am highly disappointed at you. I mean, why the sudden hostility towards your brother? Your only brother. Now tell me, is this about his choice of a wife?
Is it not obvious? Mother, I mean, it's obvious. I wonder why she has decided to make my business her business. What's your problem?
Adanna! Adanna!
Father.
This is the last time I'm going to hear this kind of unorthodox behavior towards your brother. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear.
Yes, Father.
He's a prince. His decisions must be respected at all times. Son, if you want to use that car, use the car. I mean, what's the force about that particular car? Are there not many cars in the palace? Leave my side. Your presence nonsenses me. Leave my side! Son, anything serious you want to do today with it?
Nothing really, Father.
Take your time.
Thank you.
Take your time. These children are getting on my nerves.
Ogini kana zo Adikwemu Onye ga-agwa m ife a na-azọ Adikwemu Kedu ife a na-azọ Adikwemu Mmadụ gbakere m ife a na-azọ Adikwemu.
What are you two doing here?
We are here to see you.
How dare you? Yes, how dare you come in here when you ought to have called me on the phone?
Who should you talk to?
I'm talking to you too.
Me?
Yes.
I follow.
You heard me.
You talk to me?
Yes.
Let me go and tell your parents how you murdered someone.
Now, let's go and tell them.
Ha! See me see trouble.
Okay, please. I beg you to. I'm sorry.
We get agreement, we will not get agreement.
Yes, I know.
Oh, yeah, sit down,
Oh,
sit down, sit
you
down.
know, and you're doing,
Sit down,
you're
no
doing
talk.
this.
Sit down. So why did you not keep to your agreement?
Tell us.
Because your brother was supposed to choose either me
Or me.
No, not be you or you. Me, I can't fight my own fight. Everybody
I'm
carry
talking
it.
about my own.
Okay. Your brother was supposed to choose me and me.
The truth is, everything came to me as a surprise. I thought I had an agreement with my brother, but no. He betrayed me. I'm sorry.
That means you failed woefully. Yes. Listen to me, princess. Be ready for us. Yes. Be ready for us. Right now, your parents, the rest of Isilupu kingdom will hear what you did. Wow. Yes, so I am not joking.
I'm sorry. Please. Just give me a second chance. There's always a second chance. Just give me the second chance. I will speak to my brother. I will speak to my parents.
You don't do. Madam, 1 week I might give you. If 1 week, not even 1 week, 1 second, 1 week
is even too much.
I swear, if you not do what you're supposed to do, you go know me. Madam, more they go.
I'm not going anywhere. Let's wait now.
Why?
Yes, now we need to eat something.
I forget. Sit down.
We need to eat something. What are you talking about?
Babe, go bring food. Come.
Order your maids to bring food for us and get ready to eat it because I don't trust you. Let her get 4 cousins for me.
Me, I want salad. Fresh salad.
God.
Salad and 4 cousins.
And the catwalk with the
Two
catwalk.
4 cousins. 2 4 cousins, I beg.
The person I message go the catwalk.
You take one now, take one.
You dey bring them confess. You don't see them.
She go bring them now.
You
Before
dey
come.
bring
Ekenna. Ekenna.
I will break this door.
Good day, sir.
What is good about today? No, they greet me that nonsense greeting. Give me my money. That is why I'm here. I'm not here for your pleasantries. Just give me my money now.
You know I'm supposed to have given this money to you since. You just have to calm down, eh?
Calm down for what? Calm down for what? Give me my money now. Or I will go inside and pack whatever I see there. Just give me that money.
You just have to relax.
Relax. My head is scattered. You see now, give me my money now. See.
Okay, what is it now? Good afternoon, sir.
You say that
nothing is good today.
So they just says calm down. Just calm down and he's shouting.
Calm. Mba. Keep your mouth. Let him come. And I don't want to hear your mouth in this case, so it's not your business. You are not there.
See, I won't take that. I won't take that. Stop.
You bring your mouth to talk. Okay. Let me not go with my money today, then you will see what I will do to you.
Kim, hurry up now.
I hope it's complete.
Count it now. Count it.
Count. It's complete, sir.
Wait, let me finish. You will not tell me what to do until I finish now. It's not complete. You will see my action. My money must be complete. You get luck, it's complete. If not so,
And you get to take. Nonsense.
Okay. But I thought you've given this man his money.
I waited for him. I've been waiting for this man here for complete 4 days. I didn't see him.
Now he had to come and shout.
Only for him to just step into this place and start shouting. I said, just calm down, relax. He didn't even allow me to talk. If not for you now, look at the kind of insult he...
It's okay. Just next time you pay him. I don't like this thing that happened just now. I don't like it.
It's okay.
And look how he was just shouting for
It's
me.
okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
Fresh.
Wow. Fresh. I love this. You know what? I never liked palm wine before. No, I was never a fan. But since you started bringing palm wine to us, I've been loving every bit of it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Maybe we'll move to your community so that you'll be getting us more palm wine anytime we need it.
Thank you, my love. Hey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you, my princess.
You can say thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's fine. So, I wanted to ask you, like, when do you normally wake up to go and get your palm wine? Are you not scared of the heights? How dare you? How dare you?
Sorry, my princess. Apple, my apple.
How dare you?
Apple, my apple.
Sorry for your stupid self. Oh, because I gave you the opportunity to even have a conversation and serve me. That is why you have the mind to do this. Are you stupid?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for your stupid self, you fool. Now get out. I said leave. Ever want to see you idiot, low life, low, stupid thing. Poor thing, that's how they behave. How dare you? Idiot. You can imagine, see how disgusting.
Ogechi, I think killing that idiot, that fool, Uli, remains our best move ever.
No. My brother is watching us. Don't forget, he has his eyes on her. I don't want wahala.
Please! Who cares about your brother? When throne is involved, throne! Wait, I don't understand what you're saying. See, let me tell you. We can kill her and make it look like she had an accident and died. Nobody will know. It's our little secret. Oh, we can think of anything. Let's think. There are several ways a stubborn cat can be killed.
They call that idiot. You see they polish the name. That is a bastard. Says cat. She not be anybody. She be goat. Now yes, grass now. She be. Hey. But I think we should talk to her first. Let's just talk to her. She will respect us. Don't worry. Don't be killing.
Hey, talk to her. If not that public beating has been abolished in this community, I can't just wait to. I'll just punch off her teeth.
You're even doing it small. We'll drag her to your house. We'll punch her very good. You know her eye. And that's what we're going to do. We'll drag her to your house. Yes, we'll take her to your house. We'll bleed all her mouth.
No. See, after beating her now, she will go around the village and tell people that you beat her because of the prince. It's better we kill her.
Kill.
Ogechi, killing her is the best. Killing her is the best.
See the way you're talking the kill as if it's foul or want to kill.
It's not foul, but you don't understand. No, you're talking about the throne.
My sister, even my mother, no, nobody can even advise me to kill somebody. I can't.
Oh, okay. If you don't want to, it's okay. It's fine.
Kill.
So, we'll overcome all the substance.
And our wedding will be the highest.
I want that child that looks like you.
I want my son to look like me. I want him to be intelligent.
Of course, they will be intelligent. You know, it's in our DNA. I love you.
Stop! You started again. Mama, what are you doing?
Mama, good to see you.
Come on, get off from there. What is that? Obinna, you shouldn't be seen anywhere around Olima.
Why? Why wouldn't they see him anywhere around me? Can you hold me?
I am sure you know the tradition because you're the son of the chief priest.
Mama, don't tell me you support the unfairness meted on me by the prince and the gods.
Mama, I am sorry about the whole thing. I'd always wanted you to be my son-in-law. But it's not our fault things turned out the way it did. Yeah? Is this where you told me we are going?
See, Mama, I am not going to relinquish the woman of my heart for the prince or anybody. I will not let it happen.
Yes, remove your hand there. Remove your hand first! Huh? Don't go close to him.
Mama,
stay your own.
Mama,
shift.
Please.
Yeah, welcome shift, oh.
Mama, enough of this shouting, Enough of this shouting, now. I will just walk to the palace and tell the king and the prince to leave me and my boyfriend alone.
You dare not.
I will do it, Mama. Watch me do it.
Mama,
You better allow us to stay in peace,
I love Uli and it's Uli I'm getting married to.
I love you too.
Nobody will take you away from me.
Go home!
Mama, I respect you, but you have to understand my position in this.
I will use this on you.
Mama.
You will not live with him anywhere you're going with him. You still come back to the house. Let me see him cross that house. Diala. Something else to do. Leave her alone, you will not hear.
Father,
yes,
I wish to have my bride visit us here in the palace.
Oh, we are on the same wavelength. I have already sent the message across to her father, to bring her here.
That would be great. Oh. At least that way we get to spend time together, have her in my arms, then we can, further plan for our marriage.
Oh yes, I have sent some plans on motion. In a month's time, we shall be married with her.
Thank you, Father. Thank you. Thank you.
Anything for the crown prince of Isoloko Kingdom. Anything?
Thank you, Father. Father, do you think that I need to pay the chief priest's son some money for stealing his bride?
Oh, no. Not at all. He knows the tradition. Of course, for the records, you never stole anything from him. He was never married to her for any kind of way. No, not at all. Of course, the crown prince of Iselo Kingdoms never steals. He gets everything at a palm.
Thank you, Father. Thank you.
Fresh palm wine. You like it?
Very fresh.
What do you want? I want to keep this thing inside. You know I can't do that.
He's not looking bad actually. All he needs is money for his life to be transformed. Take a look at him. He's such a fine young man. I can afford to miss. The only issue I have with him is just one thing. Oh my God. Ekenna, please come this way.
Good day, my princess.
It's all right. How are you?
I'm very fine, thank you.
I can see that. So, take this. I got this from a very strong herbalist. You know, it will help you stop whatever that is making you fat, uncontrollable. You know, it's so disgusting and unfunny that a young man like you will be walking on the road fatting. No, that's not good.
I'm sorry, my princess.
It's all right.
Are you sure this mixture will work?
Yes, trust me, it will work. But you have to take it morning and night. Don't take it at noon. Did you hear me?
Okay, my princess.
It's all right.
Thank you so much.
No, it's fine. So, what were you discussing with him?
I was telling him to take the grass cutter inside. He refused.
He refused?
Yes.
Hey, you!
Yes, my princess.
Are you mad? He asked you to do something and you refused. How dare you? Now get out! Move! Idiot.
Thank you.
Don't mind him.
Sorry, my princess.
Sorry for your stupid self.
Hey. I'm sorry.
It's fine. Please, Ekenna, when you get back to your house...
I'm sorry.
It's fine. When you get home, try to shower at least 3 times a day. Oh, God. Please go. Leave. Take your shower morning, afternoon, and night.
I'm sorry, my princess. I'm sorry.
It's all right. Don't forget to take that. Can you imagine? Where are all these mates? Get me a glass of juice immediately.
I'm going to do something.
I want to take this our relationship to the next level.
When you say next level, I don't understand.
I want to marry you.
Stop this joke, though.
I'm serious, so will you marry me?
Are you serious?
Yeah, will you marry me?
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm
serious. Wait. You're serious? You want me to be your wife?
I want to marry you.
You want me to be your wife?
Yes.
Oh my God, I cannot wait for you to meet my mom finally. Yes, I'm sure she'll be so happy because I've told her a whole lot of good things about you.
I'm coming to your place. I want to come and tell your mother that I want to marry you.
When are you coming?
This weekend.
Nkechi.
Go and tell your friends.
I'm so happy. This is the best news ever. And guess what? My mom will be so happy to see you.
Tell all your friends that you are taking. Sharp.
I cannot wait. I'm so happy. Okay.
Sorry,
Stop telling me sorry, Joe.
Just sorry.
It's okay. You're very funny.
My friend.
Good day,
You are here again.
This one.
Fresh palm wine.
Very fresh.
And bushmeat.
Yes, my king.
I trust you. I hope this palm wine is as fresh as usual.
You can have a taste immediately.
A taste. Guard.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, my king. I'm sorry.
I hope you do go to toilet every month.
Every morning, my king. Sometimes 2-3 times.
You have to be careful of what you do in my presence. Please, take this aside.
Hey!
I'm sure you are sick in the tummy. Let me get you your balance.
Okay, my king.
All right.
Thank you. Hey. How do you go? My friends.
Don't tell me that you did not supply fresh palm wine and bushmeat in the palace.
You can see the signs, my friends.
Oh, you supplied it already?
Very fresh. Very fresh.
That's good. You know, I'm even thinking, why don't you come to this village? Come back to this village. Come to this village. I'm sure my father can give you a place to stay, like give you a house. That's if you don't want to live in the palace. That way you'll not be running up and down. We will have plenty and plenty of palm wine and bushmeat in this palace.
Hey, my prince.
Yes.
Thank you so much for this offer. But I have to think about it. No matter how small. I'm sorry.
Wait, who?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Wait, you still doing this?
I'm very sorry.
Hi.
Up.
Anyway, I understand. It's okay. I'll be inside. Let's just go inside.
Don't worry. Come on. Sorry. Hey! Ubozo obotiti. Hey! Embarrassment.
Papa, I'm not going to the palace.
Did you really hear what I said? That the king wants to see you at the palace.
Tell the king that I am not coming. I'm not interested, Papa.
Just imagine. Have you forgotten that the king's word is an order? It's an authority which everybody in this kingdom must obey.
Nice. If you ask me, I will say let us soft pedal on this whole thing. Right now, our daughter's life is in danger. Will you push it further?
which is more the reason she should be at the palace, for more protection. Security is full there. Oh. So what are you talking about? That is what I am fighting for, where she will have security. You understand?
Really?
Yes, my daughter.
You want me to go to the palace for security?
Yeah.
Papa, I'm disappointed. Were you a king when you married my mother? Did you not give her security? So you cannot protect your daughter and your wife. For me to get maximum security, I must go to the palace. Make it make sense to me, Papa. No problem. Whatever you think is okay. But all I know is that I will not go to the palace. I'm not going there. Tell the prince I'm not interested. CSO. Security advisor.
Why is my daughter so serious about this? Refusing my order, refusing even to answer the call of the king. That there is no way I can talk, I can go to the king and tell him what she's saying. I can't do that.
If you cannot go, no problem. What I'm saying is that my daughter's protection is my own. Because if she cannot be secured in that palace, I will tell you, I'm not supporting anything, in fact.
No, she will be secured in that place. That is what I'm talking about.
I
want you to realize it. Understand me?
So here now there is no security.
That place is more secure than here.
Her name is Ulimma. She's from this village.
She must have some guts to refuse you. You, the prince of this kingdom. Who is she? Who is she?
She's the Ono's daughter.
See, let me tell you, any woman should be proud to have you. You, the prince of this our kingdom. You deserve the best. You deserve the best of the girls in this kingdom. It should be an honor for any woman that you choose. Yes, if you choose anybody, the person should maybe take a ram to the gods, because it's not easy. And she's doing even if she's the owner who's not, and then
the truth is, I love her. But it is obvious that her heart belongs to someone else. Even when she knows the consequences of not marrying me, she still went ahead to reject me. I mean, I am disappointed.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Listen, I am not in the mood for your jokes. So control that place. Control it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's controlled, sir. This thing is spiritual. It's spiritual. It's not normal. I'm sorry, my prince. Hey. I'm sorry, my prince.
Go now.
Don't be angry.
Yeah? Mokem, what are you doing in my house?
Mama. Good day.
Welcome, Mama.
Mama, I'm here to ask for your daughter's hand in marriage. I want you to give me the procedures to follow.
You want to marry my daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
Aside hunting, which other disgraceful business do you do for a living?
Oh, Mama, did you say disgraceful?
Disgraceful.
Okay, aside hunting, Mama, I farm for people. Aside hunting, I do farming and I also do palm wine tapping.
Hey! Can you imagine the imbecile you brought to my house? Eh? Oh my God!
I'm sorry, I can go.
Look at how everywhere is messed up, smelling.
I can go and bring it
Bring it. Here. Hey! Ugo dear, you have suffered. Hey! Anyama fugiwa. Hey! Upon all the intelligence, look at the dummy I give birth to. Eh? Chisomu, you did not see any reasonable man to bring home. Is this riffraff? Eh? This ordinary hunter? Obanta? Now leave my house. Get out of my house, Look at Ikaku. Okay, watcherem. Mba, here.
Mama, Mama,
Mama,
don't like
this.
Get
inside,
Mama, don't like this thing. No, is he not a human being?
Get inside.
Mama, Mama, don't like it.
Don't go and prepare your mind. You are going to marry Chike. Let me tell you that you will marry Chike. You want to marry that stupid good for nothing. Get inside.
Mama, I don't like this thing.
Go inside, my friend.
I don't like this thing you're doing.
I will slap you.
You even embarrassed him. Oh yeah, I'm so sorry to call now. He's a human being now. He's not only polluting. Everybody pollutes, Mama. He's a human being. He's only sin. And he's the one I will marry.
Go inside. They are no affair. You want to marry on you. Get inside.
My prince. This one enter. My prince, you be bad boy, you. I swear, you be bad boy. See as you take scatter the table for palace, that they scatter everywhere. Everybody just there on my open. What thing they happen? People they say, what in the problem? Even me, we sit down behind you. So if I dare, I go see you, they raise your neck like this, that like tolo. I know if you go like this, I'll follow you. If you go like this, I'll follow you. Come the reason, what you they fight for them? Small time you don't stand up, begin the waka, they enter the crowd, those girls where they dance. They push them, they go like this. Even though that one why Hanyash they like this? Come they do like this for your front. What's your next way you come through, carry them through away? Come they say, where my friend Prince they go? Because okay, maybe you won't go dance. So come say make I stand up, go follow you dance. You can't catch the girl, jam. Everybody come surprise. Nah, the thing surprised me.
I am shocked. I didn't even know that I was going to pick her. I was just enjoying the dance, and the next thing I sighted her, and my mind said, "Go for her." Just like that. You know me, I like to fool my mind.
Wait, ma, ask you something, my prince. Because this in the boss my head. That girl, you and I don't have something before.
No. I don't even know her.
I mean, you know the girl before. Eh?
No.
You know, sir, I betting say you won't carry the girl. Go chop, clean mouth. Normally, what would they do now?
No.
My prince, you know that girl, I go carry her. That girl don't sleep with all the men waiting for this village. I tell you now, even me, she don't come meet me. I mean, use my hand through where. She won't come carry what she collect from other people, come rub for my body. Me, you know, go walk now. Me, I say you won't just chop through where. I don't know, so you won't come keep him. I please, no, try more.
Wait. Hey. Are you serious?
I go lie for you before. You be my friend. If I not tell you the truth, I no go tell her. I no go tell another person. If you say you be my friend, I no go talk to you now. If you buy a rich house, anything when you open, see you go take them like that.
I don't understand what you say. What do you mean?
Make I tell you something where you don't know. You no be street guy at all. You no be street at all. Me will be your friend. If you even reason me before you do, I'm not. Me I be full street. They bomb me. I grow for street. If you look me, I they smell street. You go to even that yesterday where you did there. Where you go say let them, they raise them hand. People we don't knock them, we don't chop them, all of them there, they laugh you. You know me. Yes now. No go there.
Ego, is that not your mother's farmland that guy wants to go and defecate on?
Hey, what is happening here?
Hey,
how dare you? How dare you? Come outside.
Can you imagine? What are you doing? Hey! Come outside!
Come out from your sir!
Come outside now! Can you imagine?
Hey, this boy must be eating.
Come out here! Come out. What? How dare you? How dare you defecate in my mother's farmland?
Oh, is this your mother's
May
farmland?
God strike you! Strike you from asking that stupid question.
your grandfather's
Is it your
farmland.
father's farmland? Is it your own? Answer me!
I'm sorry, I was having running stomach, so I decided to go
And the best place to dump your rubbish is her mother's farmland.
Can you imagine?
Ego, let's go and feed him with his espresso.
What's that? You just farted. What is wrong with you? Why are you farting?
What kind of human being are you?
How? Hey, Jesus!
I'm taking you to my
Hey,
mother.
hey,
You will
hey.
explain to my mother why you defecated.
Stop doing this, so
Why
stop
you
doing
what?
Where are you taking me to?
Where
are you taking me to?
We are taking you to her mother so that you explain to her why you want to.
Let's go to my mother.
Stop now, you get me injured though.
Come on, let's go, sir.
You get me injured though.
Injured what?
Let's go to my mother. Let's go.
You get me injured though.
Injured what? This guy must have been eating beans and eggs.
Sure.
Let's go. You don't have toilet in your house.
Don't mind him.
Let's go. You don't have toilet in your house.
I did not even finish the operation now. Stop now.
I'm taking you to my mother. We're going to my mother's house today. You tell her why you defecating her.
Don't go to something.
Let's go.
Peter, can you double me?
Can't up read the thing. Can't up roaching like the thing.
Let's go.
Your hand is going too far. Your hand is going too far.
Walk fast, my friend.
I don't know what is happening, oh. I don't know why you are embarrassing me, oh. Am I the first to defecate in somebody's farm?
My friend, shut up your mouth.
What is this now?
Keep quiet. No problem. You want to be free, Abi? I will free you. But you have to pay a little price. If not, I will embarrass you.
One thing,
So,
very small.
you buy us a drink.
That's all.
Drink?
Yes.
Is it money for a drink that is the problem?
Yes, just money for drink and we'll let you go.
You would have said it before now.
Okay, Ebere money, bring it.
Don't worry, I will pay, but I don't have money now.
Mouth, you don't have cash now, but you have the earnings to defecate in someone else's land. Acquire?
Don't mind him.
Idiot.
Oga, bring the money. In fact, let me search you.
Hey, don't go there. See what you are folding.
Don't go
See what
here.
you are folding here. Oh. See what you are folding here. Oh.
Fold what?
Oh yeah, wait, let me give you money. I have cash here.
But you know I don't trust you, Abi.
Don't worry, I have cash. I don't know what. Look at my clothes
Oh,
now.
yeah,
See the
bring
way you just.
Bring the cash.
How much do you say?
I heard she has been living a promiscuous life.
That is ridiculous. Who told you that?
Father, at this point, we should just concentrate on the message and leave the messenger.
Son, who told you this? I mean, whoever did does not mean well for you.
So, I think you need to understand that Onowu is one of the most noble men in this kingdom. So he cannot produce a child that is promiscuous.
Father, I advise that we find the authenticity in this matter, instead of pushing it away all because of the trust you have for your own no. Do not forget, even the most noble parents can give birth to a bad child.
Son, are you trying to say that you're no longer interested in your Noah's daughter?
See how you disgrace me today. In the village. After giving me hope that you are going to become the wife of the prince. I have been moving around the village, bragging with your name. I have parading myself in the village that I am going to become the prince's wife mother. Eh? What a shame.
Where you see the shame? I don't see shame anywhere, Mama. So you mean say that dream now where you dream and say no come to pass? Forget it. You see that hope where you get? Hope is not lost. You will become what you want to become.
What nonsense are you talking about? Eh? Were you not there when the prince chose her?
Chose
were you not there?
Uli. As I did like this now, so I call the fear Uli. Mama only too small for me. You know, yes, say that girl they betrothed to somebody else. Mama, she is betrothed to someone else. So that marriage will never work.
Who told you that that betrothal matters now? That the prince have chosen her. Wake up, my dear. Wake up. Hi!
They pay me say no trust your picking. They pay me. Start today like this now. Forget it. This your dream. It don't come to pass.
How do you intend to make the prince to change his mind?
This woman don't trust me. Mama, you don't trust me. You don't know you born. Now they pay me. Me and you did this house since. You never still know you born. See that matter? Leave him. More do like say this meeting no even good at all. But you see that dream? Go come to pass. Bet.
Mom, you cannot change the hand of the time. I am not even seeing the possibility of the prince choosing you. That is the issue.
Now, Mama, that time go turn. That time, you don't turn finish. That time don't turn. Forget it. I say you don't know picking where you born. Now they pay me. You don't know. You never know me. You never know me. Forget it, Mama. Just forget. You said it's not be like this now. We no talk again. But it go happen. Bet.
I'm not seeing any possibility of prince choosing you. That is what I'm saying.
You don't trust me. You don't trust me.
I think it's better I arrange for them to be murdered. For threatening me. Those idiots have the mind, the guards to threaten me, right? I can even add poison in one of the meals they come here to eat. Hungry people. So I will make sure they die. But what if I'm caught? What if someone traces their death to me? No. I can't let those girls threaten me any longer. I am now at loggerhead with my brother, all because of them. How do I get them off my head? It's better I have them killed. Yes. No. Adanna, you are not a murderer. And I can never be. No. There has to be another way of getting those idiots out of my life without taking their useless self. Yes. Yes.
So you are the one that told my son that his bride to be is a prostitute.
Eh? My queen? Me? Ngude? My queen, you know I cannot say such a... I cannot say such a thing now. Ha! With this my mouth. No, my queen, I can't say such a thing. I did not say it.
Wait. Are you trying to tell me that you did not tell my son that his wife to be is a prostitute?
My queen, how can I say such a thing? Eh? I did not now. I only told him that the girl used to sleep with different men. I cannot call her a shower with my mouth. Mban, I can't do such a thing.
That is to show how dumb you are.
Eh?
You are too dumb for my liking. What's the difference between the two things? Between what I told you and what you just said? At times I wonder why my son chose to be friends with you.
My queen, he chose to be friends with me because I makes him happy. Yes, I mean, very, very happy. And I am happy that he's happy. That everybody in this palace is happy. Even you are happy.
Will you shut up? Shut that ass holy calm mouth. Shut up. Have you seen the problem you've caused in this palace? With your careless mouth, making unverified utterances. And now, my son has let it stick in his mind. Look, let me tell you. You have to go to my son and tell him that the information you gave him is false.
My queen, but it's not a false information. I told you, but it's the truth now. Just that I did not tell him that she's an ashawo. Sorry, a prostitute. I did not say anything like that.
It's okay. Until then, you have to prove it. Prove that what you said is true. But until then, I forbid you to say anything you are not sure of to my son. Did you hear me?
Okay, it's okay, my queen. I'm very, very sorry. I'm sorry. No problem. I will not say it again. Just that I know she sleeps with different men, but she's not a shower. She's not a prostitute.
I said shut up and get out of my sight right now.
Okay, my queen. But don't be offended, please. I wanted to ask if there is no any food. Mbochi. I want to. Ntachi, I'm hungry.
I said get out of my sight now.
My queen, even if
Do you want me to call the guards on you?
No, queen. I'm okay. I'm fine. I will go. I just wanted to know if there is anything.
Guards!
I'll go. I'll go. No problem.
Wait, I've not farted for some days now. Chireko. I've not farted for some days. Does it mean this thing is working? Hey! This thing is working magic. Hey! My princess, it shall be well with you. It shall be, may the gods bless you. Hey! Chineke, how can a man be embarrassing himself? Anywhere I go, poo 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 poo. Embarrassment up and down. It shall be well with you, my princess. Chai.
Olisa, so this is where you are.
What's it?
Yeah, I know you would love to hear this. Did you hear the news already making round? That the girl you chose to marry is nothing but a bloody prostitute. Did you hear me?
Of course. I heard you. But what I don't understand is why you have decided to make my business your business. What is your problem? What exactly is going on? What do you have against this girl?
I don't have anything against her. But I will not be alive and watch somebody bring disgrace to this family. That will never happen. Did you hear me? Thank God. The gods read my mind. And now the news is everywhere. You just surfaced that the girl is nothing but a prostitute.
Well, it's fine. I am old enough to know what to do, to make my own decisions. And that's why I've decided that she should come to the palace, spend some time in the palace. So I investigate what's going on. This might just be a mere rumor.
Wait. Meaning, are you saying you don't believe she's a prostitute? Is that what you're saying?
Well, I don't know. Like I said, I will not be fooled by a mere rumor. I will find out and I will know what's going on. Alright? So you just relax and stay out of it.
I should have known. I should have known coming to you is just nothing but a waste of my time. But let me tell you, I will never allow that girl step her feet into this palace. That is when you will know why they call me Princess Adanaya.
I should have known. I should have known never to believe anything that came out from his mouth.
Have him punished for this.
God! No, Father, please. Just leave the guards out of this. I will handle it my way. I will teach him a lesson he will never forget in his life. He will never pass a wrong information again. Just let it be.
Honestly, this is bad. This is too bad. I don't know how Onowu and his family are taking the rumor, but believe me, it is very, very embarrassing and devastating.
I know someone is behind this accusation. I know someone is behind this rumor. And I will find out who this person is. I will find out.
Calm down, son. She will soon be here with us. Of course, we will apologize to her properly and clear her name over the false belief our people now, have about her. It's as simple as that. Relax, okay?
But truthfully, I don't want to believe that Adana has a hand in this. I'm not saying anything yet until I complete my investigation. But I know what I'm saying.
Please, my son, don't just rope your sister into this. I don't like the way things are moving between both of you at the moment. But I beg you with the name of God, don't bring her into this.
As long as she minds her business. As long as she stays on her lane and lets me live my life. Yes.